nerd.vision is a non-breaking production-safe debugger that can be used on all Java, Node.js, and Python applications, with more languages to come. In this short video, we will look at configuring a workspace from a Gitlab repository. nerd.vision allows you to add private or public repositories within Gitlab as workspaces, ensuring the code you are debugging is always up to date with your production environment. We can create a workspace by clicking the blue button. Adding a public repository to nerd.vision can be done via a URL or by searching for the repository name. If we search for Hello World Python, we see all available public repositories. You can add the repository as a workspace by selecting a search result. If you have a direct link to the repository, you can paste this into nerd.vision and hit return or add value. To access your private repositories, you are required to grant nerd.vision access to your Gitlab account. Clicking on Link Your Gitlab will prompt you to log into Gitlab and grant nerd.vision access into your account. In our case, we have already granted nerd.vision access to our Gitlab account. nerd.vision does not store or process your application code, as we value your privacy. Your application code is pulled into the browser directly from Gitlab. When nerd.vision has access to your private repositories, you will see a list of your private repositories and can now search for both private and public repositories. When a repository is selected, you can select the branch you wish to debug and specify a name for the workspace in nerd.vision. Clicking Save will create and load your workspace. You can now browse and set breakpoints in your application files. Creating a workspace based on your existing Git repositories ensures you can always debug the latest code running in production and staging quickly and easily.